Hey sparkly vixens, how are you babies doing? I am doing good. Hi all to my new subscribers. Thank you for subscribing. If you don't know who I am, my name is Pinup. I specialize in vintage hair, vintage fashion, and vintage makeup and anything in that spectrum. So if you babies love seeing videos like that, please hit like and subscribe, and please turn on the notification bell so you vixens can get more updates when I upload more videos. So yes, this is just more of this type of clothes is just more of in the 70s, 60s. I kind of like to mix up the two, but then sometimes I like to separate the two. But it's like a mixture of both. It's all by Fashion Nova. I love Fashion Nova. They have a lot of retro inspired pieces that I love to have in my wardrobe. If you vixens love Fashion Nova and love clothes like that, please keep watching. Alright vixens, first I am showing you this zebra print romper. It crisscrosses in the front. Flare arms is giving me late 60s, early 70s vibes. It has a little ruffle at the end. I did put a little clip in the front so my boobs don't show that much. And if you babies don't mind showing a little booty, then this romper is for you. I love the way it fits on me. It's flowy. It is kind of a little tight on the arms, but I'm sure you can work with that if you don't mind. Now I am wearing my heels. I love these heels. They're gold heels. They remind me of 70s gold heels, so that's why I wore them. I felt it went with the look. I really love the rhinestone details in the front, and they're very comfortable to wear. Now I know vixens, this top does not fit me whatsoever, but I had to have it for the pants. I wanted the pants, but the top does not fit me. I am showing my bra, so excuse that. Pretend you don't see that. But yes, this outfit is so comfortable. It is so comfortable. Please excuse if you see my underwear. It is see-through, so wear darker underwear. I know I should have did that, but this outfit is so comfortable. I love the way it feels on my body, soft, and has a little belt in the front. Now with this jumpsuit vixens, and once again, wear darker underwear, darker bra. I'm such a bad influence. But the top is like it's like a 70s bikini top. It's flare leg at the bottom. Yes, my bra shows in the back, and yes, so does my underwear, but like I said, wear black underwear, black bra. But this is very comfortable. It is very stretchy, and it's very beautiful. I love the 70s vibe in the front and cutout. Now this is a zebra print jumpsuit. I put on my pinup doll, pinup girl clothing belt, and it's totally changed the look. It's cinched in my waist. It covers everything. Like it covers to my neck, to my feet, to my hands. It has like two little things you put your fingers through so it can stay low like that. But I thought it was giving me early 70s vibes, so I wanted to have the jumpsuit. Now I am trying on this mauve. Now vixens, I will not be showing you the booty because it will not zip up in the back, and I don't want to show that part. So just admire the front. The front is so beautiful. I love the lace detail, the cross. I love the little belt in the front and the flare legs. It is so cute, sexy, and beautiful. If you still want to go out on a nice date, you can wear this outfit and have that 70s vibe. If you just want to wear it to work, I don't know about work, I'm sorry. I don't know about work, but it's a beautiful outfit. Now this vixens, oh my goodness, this is my favorite jumpsuit. Now I do not know if this is still in stock. I think the other color is, but this is my all-time favorite 70s jumpsuit. It twists in the front. I put a little clip in the front just to give it a little rhinestone in the front because I felt like it would show my boobs too much and I didn't want to do that. But I love this jumpsuit, and I'm sorry I'm not naming the names of these clothes. I will put them in the video so you know the names. But this jumpsuit is my favorite. It flares at the legs. It is crisscross in the front. It is just giving me the ultimate Barbie 70s vibe. Now this is another favorite outfit. I wanted this one piece. It's giving me 70s. Yes, it shows my girls. I love showing my girls have no no shame in that. So hey, you're gonna see my girls if you watch my channel. But yes, I love this top. It is a one piece. I love the collar, I love the flare arms, and the zebra print skirt. I thought that was very cute, and it will jazz up the outfit with a belt. I am wearing my 70s, my early 60s, late 70s Mules by Fredericks of Hollywood. I'm sorry you can't see it, but that's the heels that I'm wearing. But anyway, I love the zebra print. Thicker ladies, these skirts are for us. Now Vixens, this is my ultimate outfit that I wear a lot, giving me late 60s, early 70s vibe. It is giving me the ultimate Peggy Bundy vibes. I love Peggy Bundy. But yes, I am wearing this cheetah print top. It is flare arms, cut out in the arms, and it's flare. I'm also wearing my pedal pushers by Pinup Girl clothing with the belt. It does cup under your boobs, so bigger boob ladies, you know, we just have to do a little adjusting. So if you see my bra, sorry about that, but it does, it has a twist in the front. So if you can find larger sizes, do that. I was only able to manage to find a large, so I'm sure they have it in plus sizes. Now for accessories, I am wearing this cute little rhinestone bag. I know this is so different from the vintage bags that I have, but I thought this cute little baby bag was so cute. It's rhinestone and cute, and just if you just want to have something cute and blinky, that's the purse for you. Also now I have this cute little clear plastic bag with butterflies on it. I thought it was so cute. It reminds me of a cute little china box. So that's why I got it. I thought this was just so Barbie. And that is it. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you babies enjoy this. I love vintage reproduction clothes, so if you babies love watching more videos like this, hit like and subscribe, and please turn on the notification bell so you babies can get more updates and I upload more videos. And that is it, dolls, and I will see you again next time. Bye, loves.